Ça ka fait tout le monde qui j'ennuie. Bienvenue pour une plus belle vidéo sur channel YouTube là. Moi coupe bien bas pour me dire merci parce que toujours supporté. Moi souhaite une bonne année et me souhaite pour faire un pile succès dans nouveau projet qui va commencer pour année. Même les bagailles difficiles, moi voulais pour concentrer. Parce que un jour, dormir tard, lever bonheur yo gen pour porter changement dans la vie. Dans vidéo ça, moi vinn faire nous découvrir top plus bel concert qui t'est fait dans l'année qui t'est passé. Avant d'entrer dans la vidéo, je invite à abonner à la chaîne là si vous faire ça. Pas oublier de peser la cloche notification pour YouTube qui toujours aviser chaque fois que je une nouvelle vidéo. So, je ne dis plus que ça, on a enjoy nous dans la vidéo.
No, I had to let her go, cause she can't arrest me. Walk up with my toolie, what they do? Come on! I walk around like that nigga. Finger on the trigger. If a nigga want some smoke, I love this chopper, eat a nigga.
Racks up, pulling up in the truck.
Yeah, I came in with salt. Yeah, I came in with salt. Yeah, bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, I came in with salt. Yeah, I came in with salt. Bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, bitch, I flare red raw.
But you switch up cause I'm next up. I gotta leave this on 40 like this is change, yeah, I like
Bitches funny, baby, te corro el make-up. Tengo mi gorrinco, te si te hago un FaceTime. Yo quiero money, puta, lo quiero ASAP. Lo quiero ASAP. This bitch is funny, baby, te corro el make-up. Tengo mi gorrinco, te si te hago un FaceTime. Yo quiero money, puta, lo quiero ASAP. Lo quiero ASAP. Let's go! All the drugs in the world that you need. Figure out the past time, look at time of it.
How'd you bitch? Drink like it. You niggas fucking trash. You're not that savage, you're ruthless now. If we flip with the stick to the gun, they gon' force me to lose my control. Niggas ain't ready to walk down the road. Ross me daddy.
Oi! Over the song. Yeah, yeah, that's never be there. When it's shut down, that's all me in it. Shut down. Bring pussy. Special weakness. I got thousands of savings. God, they don't. Tell that turn us. Yeah. Get those two of savings. When you ride around, when you throw that thing. Let's go. Just like a little Gotti. Savings time.
I've been going G cause I'm cool with it. Checking for my friend like a fantasy. I was supposed to kill. Nobody signs to the street, young white bitch hopped up in my ride. Sneaking to the crib in a short high time. Ain't right now, wake up and I'm scared.
You, let's go! Eddie Oris.
This is how it is. Yeah, these niggas fake, but we can't relate. Get out the way, get out the way, get out the way, get out the way, get out the way. Hello, bitch, you can fuck with me if you want to. This is better, this is rap, this is body suit. What the fuck? I can't get a fuck, I want to. I mean, what the fuck should I do? Ready to start? I got all that to in the dark. Let's go! Yeah. Go now, you with the pick and roll. Yellow flame here, sicko mode. Put your hands in the air. Bounce, 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 bounce. Yeah, make this shit with all the ice on in the booth. What we got on? Hold on. Billy Team. Christian Dion.
You know I ain't
come to play, let's get it. I'm snapping out the rip, don't say I'm a favorite. Let's go. Probably don't want to let your baby mama take a piss, cause I'm the type of